Originally, all I had was the tail light, brake light integrated there in the center, and then that was kind of small and not very well seen, so I added the tail light, turn signals, and brake light integrated together. So as you can see, as I hit the front brake, flashes red and all red, and if you use turn signals, they're yellow. So I like it. Welcome to the shop today. I'm looking at changing out the handlebars on my WR right here. As you can see on the bottom of the handlebars right here, the paint just flaked off and it's rusty, and I have a new set of handlebars to go on it that's very similar in the bend, and they're black aluminum. So that's my task today. Have you seen so much stuff and junk that's on the handlebars before like this? This is going to be a pretty good chore. One of the roadblocks I've come up to is, this is the old handlebar, which is a steel one. This is the new one that's aluminum, and this is the bark buster insert that goes in it. Will fit in to the larger ID of the old handlebar, so that one won't fit in. So luckily I had an old setup from an old handlebar, and this will just fit in there, but it's quite a bit longer than the other one, so I had to go buy a longer bolt that would fit through there and pull the squeezer in. So anyway, that's what I'm fixing to do next. Well, here it is. Switched out the handlebars, got everything back on. Took me about 3 hours. 2 hours of it was getting all the controls at the right place that you want, so it's comfortable. Well, that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please click the like button and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. Thank you.